We finished row 2B, and as you can see here also, the last double crochet that I made here is made into the chain opening, and well, you see here these two layers are not connected very well. So if you want to, you can use a marker again to have everything in place so this is connected. And I will take my sample here, and well, you see here that these corners here, and because we did a border around it, the corners will be connected, and it will all be all right again. So let's start with row 3A, and row 3A says color 2 to the front. So this time we have to take this and put it to the front, and let's see, my yarn is becoming a mess here. So here we take that and put it here, so to the front, and then it says we have to do the side stitch, and since we already did our 3 chains, we have already done the side stitch. And then it says back 2 times, so we will look for our the next double crochet, and that's here. So back 1, so this is different with the B rows. With the A rows we always have that side stitch, and then it says back or front, and this time it's back 2 times, and then we work front 5 times. Let's take some yarn. Front 5 times, so we work at the front again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then a back 3 times. 1, so we work at the back again of the white, back 3 times. So well, I will finish this row again, and I will then show you the next row. You can already see here that the joy is already showing. So we will go, I will continue with this row and see you back when I'm finished. We finished row 3A, and now we will do row 3B. Here you can see that the last 3 stitches, the last 3 double crochets are at the back, and this is the side stitch again, so don't forget to make the side stitch. And well, we will start now with row 3B, and row 3B says that we have to do front 5 times and then back, front, back. And well, this is a B row again, so this first stitch already has to be at the right side of the work, and it is in front, so we did correctly with the A row. And this also counts as the first stitch, so this is front 1, this is front 2, 3, 4. You see, everything is in front of the purple. We folded the purple back, and then we have to do back, front, back. So this is back, front, back, and then we have to start again with front 5. Well, I will continue. Oops. And I will get back to you. And I will tell you something about switching the colors and also something about the border. So I will get back to you with the next part. I finished my row 3B here, and you can see the letters of joy are now very clear. And what I already did was row 4A, it's all at the front, and I'm nearly at the end, and I wanted to show you the color change. And well, here I did my last double crochet at the front and an in-between chain. Then I wrap around my hook, and I first start making the double crochet, and then I end up until I have 2 loops left on my hook, and then I will take my other color and I will use this color now, but as you can see in my example I used the blue here. So well, I take my new color and the end of the yarn is here, and then I finish that double crochet with the new color, and then I do 1, 2, 3, which is for the next row in color 1. And well, I will continue making a little bit more and tell you about the border. I already did a little bit with the new color here, and now I will tell you something about doing the border. And well, it's very simple actually. It's something that I will also use for my Hooked and Lock Call 2021, so this is kind of looking forward a little bit. And well, of course I didn't finish the entire block, and well, in my instructions for the whole block you will see that we have to end with this color to the back, and I didn't do that at this moment. So well, we will first start with doing 2 chains and 1 in between chains, so it's 3. And so this actually with the entire block is at the back, so pay attention to that, but it will be clear. And next thing we will do back post double crochets, and we just work through the holes like we would do just regular interwoven crochets. So if you would have done a regular interwoven crochet, you would have gone through the hole here and work at the back into that top of that stitch. But this time we will do back post stitches, which means that we have to again go through the back, and we come here at the right side of the post of this double crochet. Then we go to the back again, so we push that post to the back actually, and then we will pull the yarn through, and then we will finish our double crochet. And again do an in-between chain, and then we will do the same again. So usually we would have worked into this, but this time we will do the back post stitches. Here we go through that hole, go to the left of the post, and then we will go to the this is the right, of course, and we will go to the left, push it to the back, pick up our yarn and finish that double crochet. So we will do this entire row, and well, when we come to the corner here, so here we do this back post double crochet again, and then here at the corner we just make a half double crochet here into the back, and then do 2 or 3 chains, so see what you prefer. I do 2 because I like that rounded look a lot. But if you prefer to do free chains, that's okay. And then again, you turn your work a little bit, and then you work another half double crochet here in the corner, then make an in-between chain, and then work through that hole here and do that back post double crochet around this and work along the sides. And well, you go all the way around. And well, if you would like that, you could also do another row for the border with the color 2 the same way, and then you will work around, of course, these posts of here at the side and around these posts at the side, so you will have a double colored border. And well, I hope this was something again to help you work with interwoven crochet. It was kind of a fast tutorial, and if you prefer to have more detail, please watch my other videos. That's are, for instance, for the Hooked and Lock Call 2018. There you can also see the weaving through, which wasn't necessary actually for this pattern, but then you get a grip on how that works also. And well, I have on my website lots of tutorials with pictures with it, so if you prefer to look at that, you can also go there. I will not make a photo tutorial for this block. You really have to do it with these instructions here in the video, but okay, you can, there's enough material on my website. Well, then I would like to ask you, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's very nice for my rating. You can really help me with that. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. And well, then I will see you in the next video.